Hi everyone, I am Chef Ayesha Nallaseth and today I want to share with you my personal fitness journey. A few years back, I was over 100 kgs and I had made up my mind to make a lifestyle change. Now this was for the sake of my daughter so that I was energetic and could play with her and move around easily. Through my fitness journey, I realized that sugar is the actual killer and I have a massive sweet tooth. So I had to find an ingredient that took care of my sweet cravings. And I found it. It is the Nutriplus Natose. Nutriplus Natose is a natural sugar substitute and has 0 calories. It is ideal for sweetening food and beverages. Stevia is 40 times sweeter than regular sugar. Isn't that amazing? One very important point about Nutriplus Natose is that you can heat it. You can use it for baking and for cooking. And that is really amazing. So now I'm going to show you yummy, healthy recipes using the Nutriplus Natose. So let's get started. Who doesn't love choco chip cookies? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy, naturally sweetened choco chip cookies. So let's get started. All our ingredients are right here and let's get the recipe going. Take a big bowl. Add 1 cup of unsalted butter. Add 3 teaspoons of your Nutriplus Natose. Now remember, it is very, very sweet, all right? So be careful when you're adding it. So we'll add 3 spoons. And then all we're going to do is whisk it all up together. Once this has been whisked well, we'll add 1 egg to it. Now, if you don't want to add egg, you can also add flaxseed powder. So you take flaxseed powder, add it to water and let it steep in it. And then you take 1 spoon and add it. So that acts like an egg replacer. So we whisk this up as well. Now we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now let's add milk to it. So you can use coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, skim milk, whatever you have easily available. I am using coconut milk today. So we're going to add 4 teaspoons of it or 2 tablespoons. And let's give it a quick whisk. Now once this is done, we're going to add the flour, which is 2.5 cups of flour. We're going to add 2/3 cups of oats. Also a little bit of baking powder. A pinch of salt. And some choco chips. Mix it all up together. And your cookie dough is going to be ready to bake. Now remember, you have to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then spoon out your cookies and place it in the oven. There we have it. Our cookie dough is ready. Just mix all the ingredients up and then we get ready to bake. So here you take a baking tray which is lined with butter paper and then we're going to just spoon out the cookie dough. So we're just going to put it on our pan which has already been lined and we'll just give it a little press with the back of a spoon. Give enough space when you're spooning the cookie dough. There needs to be enough space between the dough. Now here you can flatten the dough, make it absolutely flat. And there you have it. Our dough is ready to bake. Now, if you want to flatten it, and I like to do this, just press it down. So you get these lovely rustic cookies, which are absolutely healthy, sweetened naturally using natose. And there you go. Our dough is ready to go in the oven. So don't worry, the dough will spread out and you'll get brilliant cookies. So there we go. Our cookies are already freshly baked and I'm going to show you how they look. We have them right here. Freshly baked, hot choco chip cookies that are absolutely healthy and sugar-free using the Nutriplus Natose, which is exclusively available on QNET India e-store. Do like, share and comment below.